Kia ora, local news for Monday the 9th of December. Greater Wellington Regional Council has warned that passengers on Lower North Island trains will be packed in like sardines come 2025 unless an urgent business case to the government for new hybrid trains gets the go-ahead. Craig Range Vineyard has donated 800 Santa sacks full of gifts to the Pack the Bus initiative currently travelling around the region, today set to be in Featherston. Greater Wellington Regional Council has also agreed in principle to sell its former Masterton office to local property development company Endeavour Concepts Limited, which will develop a new building and lease it to Greater Wellington. A grant from TSB Bank to Surf Lifesaving New Zealand will benefit the Riversdale Surf Lifesaving Club. New rescue boards will be purchased for cadets coming through the ranks, with every year the Riversdale Surf Lifesaving Club running a successful nippers program. And vegetation fires kept fire crews from Masterton and Featherston busy on the weekend. In sport, the St Matthews girls' first 11 cricket side are third in New Zealand after beating St Hilda in the third versus fourth playoff of the national champs at the weekend. Solid batting from the middle order and 5 run-outs clinched the game for the St Matthews side. A small school punching well above their weight. Well done. For local news and sport, good morning. I'm Brent Gare.